How to unlink Activision account COD Mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm on this article from the Activision support page at support.activision.com. So managing the Activision account. So this article instructs us on how to link and unlink a lot of platforms related to our Activision account. So as you can see, you may unlink individual platform accounts from an Activision account once every 12 months by logging into their support website. So you can manage your account and unlink any links you have on that specific account. However, what you may notice is that if you're to log into the support page and try to unlink your COD Mobile account, you cannot do it. This is because as of today, it is not possible to unlink a COD Mobile account from an Activision account without deleting the whole Activision account. As soon as you link a COD Mobile account to an Activision account, those accounts are binded forever. And it's impossible to manually unlink them. What you can try is to contact Activision and send them an email through the support to see if they can help you on your specific case. However, like I said, it is impossible to unlink a COD Mobile account from an Activision account without deleting the whole account. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.